Holy dude!
Hey man, I saw your story and I was like, you know what? I'm like 15 minutes away. Why not? You know?
Ryan Fong, everybody.
Hey, pleasure to meet you, man.
Dude,
in
so
person.
Good to finally meet you, man.
Yeah, dude.
It's been so
and
long.
And I get to see your new car too.
Oh
Congrats,
yeah,
congrats.
your new car, man.
Oh, thanks, man.
You got a freaking Supra. And Tony over here with his Corvette, just posing on all of us.
What's going on, man? I'm Ryan, by the way.
I could not come all the way down through Southern California without trying to hold a little meat. So far, we got a few cars. This is awesome.
Tony here, he has religiously commented on all of my videos. It's kind of like an inside joke.
Like a couple months ago, I think.
Yeah. I mean, for months and months, he's been commenting on every single video, and he says, can't make squad.
Yeah.
And he's like one of the first ones to comment. Dude, it's so cool to meet you. And Ryan Fong. Oh my god, dude.
Hey man, I don't know, I feel like you're more famous than me now, man.
It's not about that, man. It's like I took so much inspiration from your videos.
Yeah,
seriously.
I appreciate it, man.
Like when I started out, I had no idea what I was doing. So I watched a bunch of yours and Cowan's videos and Tyler Torres. So I was like,
yep.
I don't know how to make videos with this 1010. Like,
hey, it was all the 10 Gen family right there, man.
Yeah,
so.
man.
Hey, it's good to see you move forward and then also have another ride, dude. I mean, hey, I gotta check this out, man. You gotta showcase this thing.
Go ahead,
let me see this.
Here, man.
How do you like it?
I absolutely love it so far.
Yeah?
I adore this thing. So
I'm not gonna lie, seeing it in person, I like the body shape a lot more than the previous gen.
Yeah, so what I really like about this one is that, and I don't think the dimensions are all that much wider than the first one, but it has that wide body-ish appearance.
You know what? And I kind of see where you're coming from. It's because of these curves right here that they added, I feel like, on the side too.
So I just posted a video like 30 minutes ago of this thing going up against 8th Gen Civic Si.
Oh, okay, nice.
Dyno Tune on 91, and I took it.
What?
I swear to God. Yes.
Okay, I gotta see this video.
Yes, we did 2 runs. How's it going?
How you doing?
Good.
My name's Alvin.
What's your name?
Alvin.
Alvin, nice to meet you,
Nice to meet
man.
you.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, I brought my family car, but
that's
I'm actually
okay.
from Phoenix, so, and we're just here on vacation with some family. Then I saw you were holding something, so I was like, hey, I'll just drop by. I'm only 3 miles away from our Airbnb.
How did you find my videos? Are you like a 10 Gen or 9 Gen owner?
I'm just like a car guy, so I mean, I saw, you know, you were, I think the first video I saw was you racing a WRX a while ago.
No shit.
I used to have a WRX. Is it weird that everyone you meet like already knows everything about your car, your life, stuff like that?
No, I don't think it's weird. I think it's really cool.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's pretty flattering, and I feel like I don't deserve it, but it's fun. So.
I can't believe you're here, Ryan.
Hey man, you know, it was funny. I was at home and I was about to play some video games, and then I was kind of just skimming through the stories, and then you're like, I'm in San Diego. You're like, pop up me at 6, and I was like, is that today? And literally, I think I saw the story at like 5:12, and I was like, oh shoot, I got like 40 minutes trying to make it over there.
We have a good little turnout.
Right here we have a Boost Glue Type R owned by Joel. Joel is actually Ryan's friend. We have these 3 10 Gens that rolled up together. Then we have a Type R here on Swift Springs. And I was just talking to Luis about that.
I asked them their opinion, you know, whether I should lower the Type R before or after we moved to Florida, and they were all like, yeah, you should probably wait.
Oh, he's got my freaking Titan 7 today. And we have an S2000. Wow. What's your name?
Frank.
Frank? Nice to meet you, man.
No, bro.
Was I talking to you on Instagram?
Yeah. I DM'd you a few times, yeah.
Nice, dude. Hey, man, I love it.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
I love it. What are the wheels?
Gram Lights, 57 CRs.
Yeah. Mind if I take a picture with you?
Dude, absolutely.
So we have had, I don't even know, 4 or 5 more cars show up. This is pretty cool.
So I have Franklin and Johnny here. Franklin, this is your, what year is this?
2017.
Okay, this is your 2017 GT86. And it has the HKS high power exhaust. And you have, do you have unequal link headers?
Yeah, unequal.
Nice.
Yeah.
So this sounds really good then.
Yeah.
Okay. And you said you had the tune. What kind of tune?
Just the open flash tabby tune.
Okay.
The V2.
Johnny, what's yours?
That Type R right there.
Oh, the gray one? Yep. Is that your girlfriend in there?
That's my wife.
Oh, that's your wife. Okay. I don't want to like go up to the car with the camera in your face.
Yeah, don't worry.
Seeing the boost move right next to the Sonic Ray Pearl.
Yeah, two of my favorite colors.
Dude, it was really hard decision.
Yeah, the black looks amazing. I love black cars. I miss having a black car, but I don't know. I love this color. I couldn't pass up this deal. I bought it in North Carolina when COVID first started.
Okay.
32 grand out the door. Yep. It was used. It was 8,000 miles. And they were just trying to get rid of cars.
Yeah.
32 out the door.
See, that's a great move.
Yep.
March of 2020 when everyone thought the world was going to end. And I remember that new cars and used cars were going for super cheap.
Yeah, because everyone was just trying to sell things at that point.
We have some really exciting news. Ososik Nick, I saw him post on his Instagram about 3 hours ago now that he just picked up a brand new black 2022 Civic Si. Oh, Joel's leaving.
Later, Joel. Thank you for coming, man. Oh, yeah. Ooh, it's nice and quiet.
But anyway, Nick invited me to come through his shop and check out the car. And I'm not going to pass that up. So it's about an hour and a half drive. And I asked him if I could bring a couple of my subscribers who are here right now. So I'm about to ask people who wants to go up on that drive with me and check out that new Civic Si.
So Ryan was just telling me, Ryan knows Nick, Ososik Nick. You just said that Nick,
It's our content shop, in a sense.
so Nick just called you?
Yeah, so they just called me and they told me that you were actually going to head there, and I was like, oh, funny story. I'm actually with them right now, so I guess this is going to be a lot more of an adventureful night than we thought.
So Ryan is leading the way. We're gonna go check out Ososik Nick's brand new Civic Si. We're gonna have a pretty cool squad of cars rolling up on the highway. This is gonna be awesome. I think I officially have the quietest car here. Oh my god, dude. It's so cool meeting Ryan, man. That Supra, what a beautiful car that is, dude. Finally getting on the highway. Let's rock and roll. Oh my god. That sounds so good. Oh, we get the S2000 over here too. Yeah. Yes, Tony. Oh my god. This thing can take a turn, guys. Holy shit. And the AP2 S2000, I would love to get a run in with that thing. I really think it would be pretty close. Double check to see what's done to that 1010 Si. Oh yeah. Oh boy. See what we can do against this S2000. wasn't the best start. And he has a passenger in the car, guys. The new BRZ is pretty quick, but the S2000 is something else, man. Dude, this is straight up some Too Fast, Too Furious type shit, man. This is wild. Look at all these cars, man. That was a pretty fun drive.
Oh, yeah.
How did you and the vet do?
The vet took me as expected, but I just wanted to see how it compared.
But you're still stock, right?
Yeah, it's still stock tuned. Yeah, I got him off the line. Like, well, we did like a really low roll, something to my advantage, which is like a 40 roll. So I'd get him out the hole, but then he's like, I mean, he's like right there, and then after that, he just pulls long.
The top end on those is ridiculous. The LT, it's an LT4, right? Yeah. Hey, Zeus. How about that?
I know, man. That was, I think, to be honest, I think they're pretty much identical.
Pretty even. And so you just have, do you have a catless header?
Well, the header is the stock header. Is just from the header back. It's a 3-inch exhaust.
Okay.
No tune, but I think it still does something. Like just because it flows a lot better.
No intake?
No intake. Well, the stock intake, but I just did an airbox mod where you kind of. It doesn't really do anything. It's more for sound. Because on the stock intake boxes, they're the best. You just gotta cut out this thing that muffles them, so it's like kind of like a muffler but for the intake.
Okay.
Just gives it that more raw, like VTEC feel. But
stuff like this really makes me want to stay in California. I moved down to San Diego. This is awesome. Look at all these cars, guys. This is ridiculous. So here is Nick's new 2022 Civic Si. And from our understanding, he is like the, if not one of the first people to have this car. This is so cool. And I'm so pumped that he got this in black. This looks amazing. Just the little touch, I was telling Nick, just the little touches they did to the SI. I think it's great. I love that little spoiler. We have a Civic Si with dual exhaust here. Isn't that ridiculous?
In my last video, I was just talking about my idea of trying to get someone to create an aftermarket bumper, rear bumper for the Type R. So we could have dual exhaust.
And here we have brand new SI coming from the factory with dual exhaust. It's gonna be so clean.
So at what point did you
Hondas have a very specific smell to them, and it's a great smell. Airbag tag. Long live the airbag tag.
So sometimes Fong is part-time.
There's a lot of Honda action here, man.
So we're finally back home, and I didn't give this video a proper ending at the time. I ran out of storage, but it was really cool meeting Nick and Ryan, SI Pumps, just a lot of people. It was really cool. That was a great experience. And then thank you to everyone who came out to that meet. I was not expecting that many people to come out, but it was a great time. Isn't that right, Cleo? I wish you were there. Me and Vivian missed our animals so much. They're our little babies. Charlie's over there. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy those runs. This is what we walked into. Kenny was watching our animals when we were gone. He slept here a couple nights. And I guess he played with my action figures a little bit. And these guys are just doing like an Eiffel Tower, which is cool. And also we have this up here. Nice. So that's really all I have for this video. I have the whole week off though, so I'm about to record a lot of really cool videos. Let me know what you guys would like to see with both cars. I am going to be installing the charge pipes on the Type R. I need to install the PRL turbo inlet pipe. And then I need to order more mods. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in a couple days.